Hello everyone, I'm Ravan from Plant Pro Sciences, and today we are in our Cordyceps cultivation facility, and this is our changing room. This is where we wear our lab coats, and this is where we have our lab coats and stuff. As I'm now getting directly into our inoculation room. This is where the magic happens. These are small boxes in which Cordyceps mushroom grows. इन डब्बों के अंदर हम Cordyceps mushroom को grow करते हैं. ये हमारी head microbiologist डॉक्टर खुशबू शर्मा. ये हुड है. इन बॉक्सेस को इनोकुलेट करके इसमें Cordyceps militaris का सीड डालेंगे. ये हमारा ऑपरेशन थिएटर है और ये है इंक्यूबेटर शेकर. This is where the bottles are inoculated with the liquid which has the seed for Cordyceps militaris mushroom. और ऐसे कुछ अंदर से दिखते हैं सारे इक्विपमेंट. So it's quite interesting. Please hand a thumbs up and do follow us. Thank you.